Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you're doing good. If you're new here, my name is Soumya and I'm from Bangalore. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe, as it means a lot to me and my channel. As you can already kind of guessed from the video title and from its thumbnail that it's going to be my second part of my huge collection of Bath and Body Works products. Today I would be sharing body wash and candles collection that I have from this brand. I'm sure many of you already know about this brand. I have also made a video which is completely dedicated to their body cream, whatever the collection I had. If you have not watched the video yet, I'm gonna drop the link in the description box below. Please do go and check out. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started. So talking about the body wash, they have two variants. One is in cream consistency and the other one is in the normal liquid consistency. So first I'm gonna talk about the cream one. So the first one I have here is called Sleep, and it's from their aromatherapy range. I prefer using aromatherapy range before bedtime as it helps me calming my mind have a good sleep. So the first one is called Sleep. This is in the combination of lavender and cedar wood. So it is a combination of both floral and nutty fragranted body wash. It is very mild, it is not too strong. If you have not tried the aromatherapy range, I would highly recommend you to try once. The second one I have here is again from the same range, aromatherapy. It's called Love. So this is in the combination of rose and vanilla, and I would say this is more of florally fragranted body wash. The dominating fragrance here is a rose, but not too strong where you kind of get irritated or hits your head. It is once again a very mild fragranted body wash. So the next one I have here is called Almond Blossom, and it has elements like vanilla orchid, almond milk and musk. I would say it is a sweet fragranted body wash. Once again, it's a very mild fragranted one. I would really recommend this if you are a person who likes sweet fragranted products. The next one I have here is from aromatherapy range again, and it is called Stress Relief. It has a combination of sage and cedar wood. I would say it's more of a woody, nutty, fragranted body wash. So one of the beautiful fragranted body wash, I would say. If I would highly recommend you to try this. So the next one is called 1000 Wishes. So it is infused with shea butter and vitamin E, and it also has pink prosecco, crystal peonies, glided amber. So I would say this is a sweet fragranted body wash. Once again, very mild, not too strong. Definitely give it a try. Moving on, I have the next one here is called Paris Armor, and this is the packaging. It is once again infused with shea butter and vitamin A, and it also has French tulips, apple blossoms and pink champagne. So I would say it's a more of fruity fragranted body wash. Again, it's a mild fragranted one. The next one I have here is called Forever Red. This is how the packaging looks. It is again infused with the shea butter and vitamin E, and it also has a pomegranate, French peach and apple. It's more of a pomegranate dominated fragrant. Again, it's a mild one, more of a fruity fragranted body wash. The next one I have here is called a Fresh Gardenia. So this is the bottle. It is again infused with shea butter and vitamin E along with some aloe vera in it. Also it has honeysuckle, white gardenia and musk. I would say it is a fruity fragranted body wash. Again a mild fragranted one, not too strong. The last one I have in body wash is called Spiced Gingerwood Swirl, and this is from their 2019 Christmas collection. This is again infused with shea butter and vitamin E along with ginger snap, nutmeg and brown sugar. It is a very strong fragranted body wash. I would say more of a nutty fragranted one, and if you are someone who loves those nutty strong fragrance, I would recommend you to try this if it is available. So moving on, I have here is called Magic in the Air Foaming Sugar Scrub, and this is the only product I have in scrub segment, and I really wanted to try sugar scrub, so I think this was the best one I have. And it has almond flour, white iris and vanilla, and this is how it looks. Though you find it sticky when you apply it, the sugar kind of melts once you start scrubbing due to your body heat. So if you are looking for a 2-in-1 product which has a foaming element as well as a scrub element, then I think you should really try this one. So that brings us to the end of the body wash range, and now we will move on to the candle segment, and I have 5 with me, and all of them are 3-wick candles, and the price ranges between 2,200 to 3,000. I know it is very expensive for candles to spend that money, so I normally pick up during sales so I can save quite a good amount of money on that. So the first one I have here is called Vanilla Bean, and it is one of their signature collection. It's more of a vanilla fragranted candle. It is in between mild and strong. So I have almost reached the end, so I have to repurchase this. I'm just waiting for the sale. So moving on to the next one I have here is called 1000 Wishes. It is also one of their signature collection. As you can see, it is almost all getting over. I have used this much, and this is also a 3-wick candle. It is more of a sweet fragranted candle, a mild one. I also showed you a shower gel in this category, so yeah. And the third one I have here is from their aromatherapy range, and it is called Relax, and it has an element of black chamomile, and it is also a 3-wick candle. It's a new one, I'm yet to use it, but it is more like a nutty fragranted candle. So one point I would like to mention here is that these candles are not meant for larger or huge rooms. These are more effective when you light them up in a smaller area like your bedroom or your bathroom. So I would highly recommend you using there to get the best result of these candles. So the next one I have here is called a Sweeter Weather, and this is the packaging. It is more of a foresty, nutty, fragranted candle, and I have just started using this, so I simply love the fragrance of this. So the last one I have here in my hand is called Into the Night, and this is how the packaging is. To be very honest with you guys, I bought this candle only for its packaging. The moment I saw it, I simply fell in love with it, and I really wanted to have this. And When I smell it, I feel it is quite a strong fragranted candle, but I am not sure as I have not used it yet. So I will update you guys about this once I use it. I will update it on my Instagram handle. Do follow me on my Instagram. I will leave the link for my Instagram handle in the description box below. Also, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as your support means a lot to me. And see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.